In the heart of the cheerful, sun-soaked playground of Willowbrook Park, laughter blended harmoniously with the creaks and squeaks of swings. The park was a canvas, painted with the joys and little dramas of children at play. Mia and Jack, both 7, were busy orchestrating an elaborate game involving pirates searching for hidden treasure. The sandbox served as a perilous desert island, surrounded by the treacherous, imaginary waters of a bright blue plastic slide. Captain Jack, the treasure map says we must climb the highest mountain to look for the red flag. Mia exclaimed, her imagination swirling around her like a cape. Jack, adjusting his makeshift paper hat, took Mia's hand, and they scrambled up the slide. At the top, their eyes scanned the horizon, an array of swings, benches, and laughing parents, until Mia dropped her gaze and yelped with joy, "There! Our flag!" pointing at a forgotten red scarf hanging from a branch nearby. As they descended to claim their prize, Tommy and Lily, who were siblings and notorious for their pranks, sneaked up and grabbed the scarf first. "Finders keepers," Tommy teased, waving the scarf like a trophy. The moment was ripe for conflict, but instead, Mia giggled, "Okay, pirates. Now it's a rescue mission." The game changed spontaneously, demonstrating the fluidity of children's rules when imagination led the way. What followed was a raucous chase around the park, filled with playful disputes, momentary alliances, and the kind of negotiations only understood by those who shared a boundless world of make-believe. As the sun began to dip below the trees, casting long shadows over their adventures, parents called out that it was time to go. Promises to continue the game tomorrow mingled with reluctant goodbyes. Shoes were brushed free of sand, treasures pocketed, and the essence of childhood lingered in the air, pure, spirited, and ever-fleeting. Mia, Jack, Tommy, and Lily left the battlefield with dirt-streaked faces and hearts full of stories, the day's adventures already turning into memories, as endearing and timeless as the laughter that flowed from one sunny afternoon to another.